Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change Wi-Fi name for ASUS Rog router. And to do this, first we'll need to open the ASUS router app on our smartphone. When it's opened, we can click on our router right here, then go for the Wi-Fi network details, and inside you can see your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, right here. Click on it to change into the different name. Make sure to apply the settings afterwards, but in case you have two different networks, that means 2.4G and 5G separated, then you'll be able to find another name below. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.